Welcome to our tutorial on creating a health-focused YouTube channel. Tip number 1, define your niche. Choose a specific health topic to focus on. Tip number 2, research your target audience. Understand their needs and interests. Tip number 3, plan your content. Create a content calendar to stay organized. Tip number 4, invest in quality equipment. Use a good camera and microphone for better video production. Tip number 5, create engaging and informative content. Keep your viewers hooked with valuable information. Tip number 6, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better visibility in search results. Tip number 7, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. Tip number 8, promote your channel on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Now you have the quick tips to start your own health-focused YouTube channel. Get ready to inspire and educate your viewers.